Introducing the Tohnichi 350DOT-MD torque tester, a reliable and precise instrument designed to measure torque values with utmost accuracy. Engineered by Tohnichi, a renowned brand in the assembly industry, this torque tester offers exceptional performance and durability for your quality control needs. With a wide torque range of 50 to 350 kgfcm, the 350 MD is suitable for various applications across different industries. Its large and easy-to-read analog dial provides clear and precise torque readings, ensuring accurate measurements every time. Designed for clockwise testing, this torque tester allows you to measure torque values in a consistent and controlled manner. The mechanical loading device enables smooth and precise torque application, resulting in reliable and repeatable measurements. Trust in Tohnichi's expertise and invest in the 350 MD torque tester for accurate and consistent measurements in your assembly processes.